Welcome and welcome back, my loves. Today's video is a decorate with me. I want to share with you guys a few easy floral arrangement ideas that's perfect for Valentine's Day. So I'm going to start by cleaning down our coffee table, just removing everything, giving it a good wipe down, and then we're going to start with a few easy, simple floral arrangement ideas that I feel like anybody can do. Of course, if you want a more advanced floral decorating video, let me know in the comment section and I can definitely get that out to you guys. But I thought I would start off with something very simple and minimalistic. That's where anybody can achieve it and you don't have to go out and buy so many florals just to achieve your floral arrangement look. I thought that this video would be very fun for the month of love, which is also my birth month. So to all my February babies, hey. If you do not celebrate Valentine's Day, because we don't really celebrate Valentine's Day as well, although I love celebrating the month of love because it is my birth month, like I said, you can also use these floral arrangements for the springtime. I feel like they are perfect for the springtime. Like I said, I wanted to keep them nice and minimalistic, but if you do want a more advanced floral arrangement video, I can definitely do that for you guys because you guys know, if you didn't know, I love creating floral arrangements. I'm going to start by just arranging my coffee table just in a simple arrangement with a lot of coffee table books, and then we're going to get into the floral arrangement ideas. For my first floral arrangement, I'm going to start off with my newest vase from Luxe. If you guys are interested in any of these items, do check the description box. I will do my best to put them in the description box for you guys, but I'm just using this round vase because I wanted a round look. Then I'm going in with a bunch of off-white hydrangeas. These are faux flowers. So if I can remember or if I know exactly what the flower type is, I'll say it. Then I'm going to add in some white peonies just to balance off some of that, I guess, yellowish green hue that the hydrangeas are giving off. Continuously play with your floral arrangement, fluff it, move flowers around that you feel you have too much in this area or not enough in a certain area. Play with it as much as you need until it's at your desire. And there we have it, something easy, something very pretty, something very minimalistic, and it's perfect, like I said, for the springtime as well as Valentine's if you guys do not want a bunch of red flowers in your face. For our second floral arrangement, I'm going to start off with this vase as well that I bought from Luxe, and it's in a nice cream color, even though I'm so tempted to change the color. I'm not going to. I'm going to hold out on it for a while, but I'm going to use these bunch of flowers. I'm not too sure what they are, but if you guys know, please write it down in the description box. And I'm only going to use 2 bunches of this because they are so full. You really don't need much of it, but of course, if you have a more rounder or wider vase, you can fill it in as much as you desire. So I'm just going to play with the stems, just twist them and bend them so it looks more natural and not like artificial flowers, and that is it. This one was very simple, and to me it gives off a little more Valentine's because of the colors. That darkish reddish pink or magenta is just a perfect color for the month of love. For my last and final floral arrangement, I'm going in with my decorative bowl, and I thought this would be very cute as well as minimal because of the height. I wanted something very low to the table that wasn't very distracting, so I decided to use my decorative bowl. Of course, if you have a round bowl and not one that's wavy or curvy like this one, I think that would work as well. So I'm just going to start off by lining up some of my tape just to hold my flowers in place, and then we're going to get started. For this floral arrangement look, I wanted a lot of pink, so I'm using these pink hydrangeas, and I'm just going to go in and place them in around the perimeter of the bowl, and then we're going to add just a little bit in the middle before we add our second floral. For our second florals, I'm going in with these off-white hydrangeas, and I'm just going to randomly place them in the bowl, starting with the perimeter and then working my way into the center. If you would like to stop here, I feel like this look is absolutely beautiful, very pretty, very soft, but I'm going to add in just a little bit more florals. So my third floral are these pinkish, off whitish, yellowy. They look like sunflowers to me. I have no idea what they are, but I'm going to use them to fill in those little gaps that I still have, and I feel like they complement the color scheme, so I'm just going to randomly place them in, and that is going to be it for my third floral arrangement. If you have made it this far in the video, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so very much. I hope I say that enough because I do appreciate every single one of you. If you did enjoy this video, remember to give me a thumbs up before you leave. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, please do remember to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell 2 times so you're notified every time I upload a video. And also comment down below what floral look was your favorite, or are you waiting for the advanced floral video? I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave me some flowers down below. If you can find some hydrangeas or whatever pinkish flower you can find inside the emoji box, leave me some pink flowers down below, and I will see y'all in the next video. So until then, y'all stay safe. Auf Wiedersehen.